Good afternoon, everybody. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. I was cleaning out one of the outbuildings today. This is a building that was built by the former owner. He actually called it his grocery store after his last name. And the perpetrators have been vandalizing things, but the former owner was a bit eclectic and collected so many things. He gave tours around here, and after he passed away, his sons did not clean out any of these buildings and sold it as is. And of course, I inherited the mess and, some cool things as well, some antiques and old stuff. So I was cleaning out a section today. There were a bunch of old magazines there from the 1930s. And I'm going to read something for all the men and women out there. I think you're going to find it quite humorous. So now this is taken from the Jackson County Sun. The Sun is a magazine. It's still in publication. This is August 10th, 1939. Okay, August 10, 1939. So part of it is cut off. But I'm going to scan it here so you can see what the newspaper looks like. And then I'm going to read a couple of the advertisements here. So here's one. Men love girls with pep. If you are peppy and full of fun, men will like you. Hey, you're ruining my game here. Men will wait, where? Men would like to dance and and party. Oh my goodness gracious. But if you are cross, listless, and tired, men won't be interested. Men don't like quote unquote quiet girls. Ow! I just got bit. Pecked at. Oh my goodness. They're very aggressive today. Guys. This is just too funny. But let's see. If you're cross, listless, and tired, men won't be interested. Men don't like quiet girls. When they go to parties, they want girls along who are full of pep. So, in case you need a good general system tonic, remember, for 3 generations, one woman has told another how to go, quote, smiling through with Lydia E. Pinkham's vegetable compound. It helps build up more physical resistance and thus aid in giving you more pep and lessens distress from female functional disorders. Oh my God, female functional disorders. You'll find Pinkham's compound well worth trying. And I was going to read this, but my little critter here just pecked on it. Just tore this apart, just right now. How women in their 40s can attract men. I mean, these are advertisements, people, from the 1930s. I guess we've come a long way, baby. How women in their 40s can attract men. Here's good advice for women. I cannot believe this little chickie poo did this. Dating her change, usually from 38 to 52, who learns she'll lose her appeal to men, who worries about hot flashes, loss of pep, dizzy spells, oh my God, upset nerves and moody spells. Oh my goodness. Women, are you laughing yet? Anybody over 40 reading this, listening in, please chime in. This is just hilarious. Just get more fresh air and 8 hours of sleep, and you need a reliable woman's tonic by Lydia E. Pinkham's vegetable compound, made energetically for women. Now, what is this word? It helps build up physical resistance, thus helps give more vivacity to enjoy life and assist calming jittery nerves and those disturbing symptoms that often accompany change of life. I mean, this is hilarious, folks. 1939. Thursday, August 10, 1939. And we've got an old pocket watch here, a dentist, RCA Victrola, $139, safety grams. Safety Grams by Fred Braun. The Safety Man. Hold that temper. The value of keeping calm at all times, especially while driving an automobile, is important. Many times during your driving experience, you probably have felt like tearing apart the driver ahead of you because of some stupid act of his. But in the end, what did you gain? Be alert at all times and give some of these stupid drivers an opportunity to get out of your way. Do not let them cause you any embarrassment or involve you in an accident. Oh, I'm going to add, this goes for those perpetrators. Keep your car under control at all times. Travel the safe speed. And above all, leave your goat at home. It's smart to drive carefully. Let's see what other cool stuff. Oh, we've got the funnies here. How to sew. The Sunny Side of Life. Clean comics that will amuse both old and young. Uncle Phil's column. Penny for Penny, your best cigarette buy. Oh, well, we can't advertise that anymore. And look at this. Look at the names in the news here. Swope, Todd, Hume, Chrisman, Stivers, Rice, Gabbard. Winners. Grocery store. Oh, wow, look at this. Okay, let's see. 100-pound, get this, folks, 100-pound bag of corn, $1.25. Fine salt, 100-pound bag of salt, 85 cents. 100-pound bag of pure cane sugar, $4.79. Classic laundry soap, 2 for 5 cents. Bush's #1 pork and beans, 6 for 25 cents. Amore's tall milk, 4 for 25 cents. Oh my goodness. Oh, here, spare ribs, 2 pounds for 25 cents. Bologna, 2 pounds for 25 cents. Pork sausage, 16 cents. Is this amazing, folks? I hope it made your day. I did mine. I thought it was hilarious. 1939. Well, I hope everybody's having a good day. I've got to take my garbage out. I've got so much trash. Stuff that I cannot burn. And what are you guys doing? What are my chickies doing? These are the guinea hens. They're grooming. Hanging out. We've got a chicken on the doghouse here. We've got chickens in the flower beds. They shouldn't be there. I've got one lone lime. And actually this is a Meyer lemon tree. But this is what I've grown. I've grown a lime. So I hope everybody's having a good day. And I hope I put a little humor in your day. And I will talk to you in the next video. This is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading.